Alright, so yeah, I just caught me a new car, you know, Camaro right here. You know, the Camaro way.
Hey, hey.
What's up, y'all? Back with another video here at the mall again. You know, my boy Pal once again. Told y'all we're coming back to the mall. I don't know what we copping today, but look, here goes our fits for today. The fit. We look like we kind of matching. Got kind of like the shoes.
Hands down, kind of right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got black and white shoes, but you know, look clean.
Yeah.
But yeah, right here at the mall. Yeah. Oh yeah. Remember we got locked out. We were downstairs. We're about to get locked out. Ain't nobody here right now. Everybody at school, you know. We're college people, so we don't got school.
Yeah.
I mean, we do got school, but we get like, you know.
We got out kind of early today, right?
Yeah. I go back tomorrow at 3.
Hey, so you done for the day?
Yeah, I'm done for today. I just had to do that project that I did right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
I gotta go back like at 5, bro.
What if we cop like, we go look like a chain, you know?
So let's go.
You trying to go? Over here? Well, where'd you cop that chain at?
It's where's Foot Locker at? It's like right across the thing from Foot Locker.
It's like right here downstairs. Yeah, we finna cop a chain. Yeah, we finna cop another chain. Oh look, I'm gonna show you that key machine. Yeah, let's see. Maybe we could probably win from here. Look.
Oh.
Dang, my cut.
Oh.
Do it one time for the vlog. How much is it?
That shit like, oh, it's $1, bro?
$1?
You gonna do that shit?
I think I might have to. I might. Yeah. Here. Record it.
On yours?
Yeah. Oh. The vlog way. What if I win, pal?
Shit, sell them hoes, pal.
Alright, what should I go for?
Go for the zebras.
Zebras, right?
Yeah.
I gotta go up. Oh.
You gotta hold that button down, yeah.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna get this person.
You finna cop them zebras, pal?
Yeah, I'm gonna get them zebras right now.
Hey, let's see, pal.
If I get them,
Sell them. Ah, you trash,
shit.
pal. Hey, you were kind of close, though.
Close, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Dang.
What if I would've won?
Hey,
I think I'm gonna do it again.
Sold like 6 times, but I didn't win, pal.
I was so close, y'all. Man, I can't believe it. I would come back, try it again. Dang, I was close though. I was like this. I was like this close. You don't think so?
Do it again later on.
Yeah, after I come back. Damn, I would have won. But yeah, I don't know what happens after you win, so I don't know. Like, it's my first time ever trying that key machine. But for my first time, I did pretty good, you know. I've seen it before, pound for pound, but like I never really like tried it until like today. But yeah, I see it in a little bit, you know. So right now we're finna go look at some chains, probably cop one. I don't know. You think these chains are real right here?
I don't know, pal. You think so?
I don't think so. Nah, I think they're fake.
Yeah, where's that Foot Locker at?
Foot Locker's downstairs right here. Yeah, let's go to Foot Locker, y'all. But I'll see you in a little bit. So like we went to Zoomies and I mean there was a lot of stuff, you know, somewhere here. I didn't really like it. It's kind of like it had a lot of basic stuff right there.
It was basic back
Yeah,
then.
yeah, kind of basic. Dang.
They had like all the basic stuff, yeah.
Yeah, it had like a lot of basic stuff. And boy copping the chain back there. That boy copping the chain back there.
Okay.
Yeah. That she going inside Image. There's some girls there.
Image?
Yeah. I know that's a girl store, pal. Yeah, that's a girl store.
They got some pink shit though?
For girls.
Some from the girl section and from like fire shoes. I'm not going here.
We're finna go inside Tilly's now.
Oh, we just left Zoomies, right?
Yeah, we just left Zoomies and came back to Tilly's.
I had to release some shit, 'cause my car's getting full.
Huh?
My car's getting full.
Oh, you gotta delete some stuff?
Yeah.
Hey. Where's she at? Where's she at?
Are you doing okay?
Yeah, we're doing good.
Did you need help with anything?
Nah, we're just looking.
Alrighty, well, if you have any questions, let us know, okay?
Alright.
Some windbreakers?
I'm sorry?
Windbreakers?
We have a couple throughout the walls, so like we have that Huff one right there, and then we have a couple more like on this wall. We have that gray one.
She's ugly, pal. She's ugly. She's ugly as fuck. No, I'm just playing. She's pretty.
One down there, so I'm not sure what color you're looking for. But they're literally like throughout the whole store. I love your cameras.
Oh,
I've been wanting to get one. We're going
For
to
real?
Colorado, and I want to take good pictures. Are those like good quality?
Yeah, well, we use them for videos, like,
more
you
for
know,
video, like vlogging and
like
stuff.
YouTube videos and stuff like that.
That's
you know?
awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you recommend the Canon?
I prefer Canon.
Yeah.
But I just got
recommend.
Canon because like my printer at home's Canon.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know.
They work.
But like
Nah,
for
it is
pictures, I
good.
think-
It's good.
Nah, but like for pictures on that thing, Nikon's better.
Nikon?
Nikon?
I think so for pictures. But like for
Probably.
video, for sure, Canon. I don't know.
Canon video. The other one for pictures.
I think. I mean, this is good
Nikon
for pictures
for-
too, but I think Nikon might be better for pictures. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Alright, well thanks for letting me know. If you have any questions, just let me know, okay?
Alright, yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, pal.
What's up?
Lucky she didn't know I was recording her
Huh?
the whole time I was there recording.
real?
I was recording her. She
You should
didn't know.
bring us up to the
And
vlog.
I was all like, I was all like, we're walking. And I was like, she's kind of ugly. Nah, she's alright.
Blue topaz, sapphire, black diamond.
And the cop one.
What is it? At the bottom. Or if you want like
More like clothes.
Yeah, so basically we went to this jewelry store, kind of walked around the mall for a little bit, and I was gonna cut me a chain. That was this close, but I kind of like second thought it, and I'm like, nah, I'll be back, you know. But I'm gonna get it though for sure.
Hey, that chain was clean though, bro.
That chain was clean, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it for
Or
sure.
that fat ass ring too, remember?
Yeah, that ring, bro.
It was like called a Rolex ring or
Dang,
something.
bro. That ring was clean. It has some clean diamonds, bro.
Yeah. It was like 14K with
For $2,000, bro. That's good.
you know, the bait. Nah.
Babe, nah, this is ghetto. It's LRG, boy. Nah, but yeah. So right now we're gonna go to the sneaker shop. It's a sneaker shop, right, pal?
It's like a little. It's more clothes only.
More clothes, or it's more like clothes and shoes. But we're
Pretty
finna go
much,
check
yeah.
it out. I've never been there,
I ain't been there either, fam.
so it's gonna be our first time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold up, I'm be like. Alright, so yeah, I just caught me a new car, you know, Camaro right here. You know, the Camaro way. It's push start, and I could, you know, put it from here too. Yeah, I hear it. Damn, my car clean, right, pal?
That shit is clean, fam.
Damn, pal. Alright, yeah. You know, inside, you show the interior. You know what I mean? Oh snap! There's the inside of the car, right here. Look, Camaro. There's a 2SS right here. But yeah, it's a new car. This is the new whip, y'all. This is a new whip. New car, just copped it. So I see you in a little bit.